Hey guys, so I'm back here in Dollar Tree, and one question that was asked a lot on the little short video I put up about this planter. So this is a three-tiered. Wait, if I could get it to focus. A three-tier planter, and yes, it's stackable. It's stackable. Check it out right there. See how they go? Let's check it out. Get another one here. Oh, sorry. There we go. And it's stuck in there. So there it is. It's a stackable, three-tiered planter. I think, if you're growing strawberries, definitely this would be great for that. Uh, Anything really, herbs. Yeah, this would be great. I like it, and I did purchase four. Put that back there for someone else, but they have a lot. So another thing I wanted to talk to you about is these other little, I think they're called rockets. Let's go check them out. So here they are here. These are flower rockets. That's what it is. And I feel like they have different kinds of flowers in here. This is over. Let me see, can I get it to focus while I'm talking? Okay. It have over 500 seeds, and it's never ending. Okay, so let's check it out. It'll run me out of here. Oh wow, so this is the way it comes in a pack like that. So this is the way it goes, like this. It's like this fake grass or sponge, and you put it in water. It begins to bloom, to grow, and there she blooms. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, flower rockets. And they have strawberries, sunflowers, basils, cornflowers, and of course the tomatoes. Yeah, that is it. And many of just a garden, decor, I guess that's what it is. But my beautiful friend, Just Peachy, she said, how did you end up in the makeup department? Because they have them right next to each other. It would be, right? Oh, look at this. This is cool. That's different. I haven't seen those before. And this is really cool. It's nice. Very nice. It's for these, the fairy garden. Yeah. But, oh, look at that. This is a candle. Oh, it's really cool. It's, let's see, can I get it focused here? Basil and herb. This one, some melons. And let's see, what is this? Okay. So last night, I remember this thing was full. Oh, and look at the little just thank you earrings. Look at that. That's cute. Sweetie, the little Valentine earrings. And this is another one that I looked at last night. I didn't know what I was looking at. I still don't. Let's see what it says. I don't know. I don't know what this is. Oh, some kind of decor. But I guess it's nice. But that's what it is. So, there's some other things here I wanted to share. Oh, wow. That's nice. Love turns a house into a home. What's that? Oh, awesome, beautiful, inspire, dream, choose joy, follow your heart. So they got all kinds of little cool stuff here. Let's see. And this is really nice too because it's plastic, and that's so cool. I broke so many of these things. So that's neat. And these little planters here that says to register for. So that's just all the cutie Valentine Day goodies and gardening goodies here at your Dollar Tree. And of course, the seeds. And these are the kind of carrots that I grow, those small ones. I like those. Those are heirlooms also. They're really good. Yeah. And the flowers. The flowers. Alright guys, I just wanted to share, just tried to come back and get some things straight, especially with the tripod. It's really nice. They stackables too. I bought 4 last night. They are very nice, very nice. They're great for strawberries or herbs. Herbs?
And I may try some strawberries.
Strawberries, of course. It's really nice, really nice. All right, guys. I think I'll pick up about 4 for Jody. You'll have a wonderful day. Lady, y'all.